This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Rogue engine air filter. This essential maintenance task helps your vehicle breathe better, improving both performance and fuel economy. A clean filter protects your engine from harmful debris like dust and dirt. You can typically replace it yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes, saving money on professional service. Let's get started with the first steps. Now that your hood is open, let's find the air filter. It's housed in a black plastic box, usually situated on the driver's side of the engine bay, often behind the battery. You'll notice a few metal clips or plastic tabs around the perimeter of this box. These fasteners hold the cover in place, allowing access to the filter inside. No special tools are typically needed for this step, making it quite straightforward. With the air filter box located, it's time to remove the old filter. Simply unclip the 2 or 3 metal latches or squeeze the plastic tabs to release the cover. Lift the cover to reveal the filter element. Take out the old filter and examine it closely. If it appears dark, clogged with leaves, or heavily soiled, it's definitely time for a replacement. You can also wipe out any loose debris from inside the air box. Now for the easy part, installing your new, clean air filter. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and the pleats are oriented correctly. Close the air box cover, ensuring it aligns perfectly, then snap all 2 or 3 clips or latches back into place. Confirm that the air intake tube is securely reconnected. This simple replacement helps maintain your Nissan Rogue's engine health and efficiency for thousands of miles to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.